Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm gonna start this video off just kind of like sharing my thoughts and kind of I don't even know what to say, I guess. So I'm sure most of you already know there is another YouTube mom going through the worst tragedy any parent could ever imagine, and it has been weighing so heavily on this community, myself included in that. Over the past few days, it just hasn't felt right posting much or being uplifting, or just, I don't know, it just has not felt right. And I have never cried so much for a family that I've never met before. It's just, things change. When you become a mom, every child is your own child. You feel what, you can't even imagine what they feel, but like, it's so different. I've always, if you ever heard of these tragedies, you are so sad and you're so sorry and whatever, but I feel like once I became a mom, it eats at me. It makes me sick to my stomach to think about, and I cry, and you know what I mean? It's just so different. And anyway, the love that I'm seeing from this community is insane. The amount of support, it's just insane. Like, I have no words, really. It's just, I don't know, I have no words. So my point to this is saying, like, I feel like my problems are so trivial compared to, what they could be, or what other people are handling or dealing with. So I feel like it just feels really weird, kind of vlogging. I don't know. I don't even know what to say. So I just dropped some stuff off at Goodwill. I currently don't have Sydney with me. Her dad is at my house for a little bit again. So all morning I was cleaning and trying to declutter from Christmas and just do dishes and just whatever. And then when he came over, I decided to go upstairs in my bedroom. I put on my new comforter and I like rearranged my bedroom, and I have so much junk. I've piled all of my junk. I've brought some stuff to Goodwill. Excuse me, I have to put some of it in storage. So I'm at Target actually. I have to get bins. I have to make a return that Sydney got a duplicate something for Christmas. And yeah, we've been going through some behavioral things over the past couple of weeks that have been really draining on me. I don't want to get into it because I want to respect her privacy, but yeah, it's been a really rough couple of weeks. But then I feel so ridiculous even talking about that or sharing about that right now, because it's so trivial compared, you know what I mean? Like, yes, everyone's entitled to their problems and their feelings, and no problem is small. You don't need to compare your life to other people and say that, oh, well, since you're not going through the world's biggest tragedy, your feelings don't matter. You know what I mean? That's not what I'm getting at. I'm just saying it doesn't feel right now. Everyone wants to rally and support Brittany and Jeff and her entire family and lift them up. So anyway, I'm not going to get into things. I probably will eventually, and I'll tell you, where I'm at. I'm exhausted. We've got winter blues. We've got emotional and just changes with Sydney. It's just whatever. That's where we're at right now. I'm not trying to be negative. I don't know what I'm trying to be. I'm just being, and I'm talking. So I'm going to pop into Target. I have something to return, and then I'm going to look into getting some things to get organized with. So yeah, let's get along with today's video.
Maybe I never knew what I really wanted, but looking back I can see it's all clear. I'm still a kid trying to act like they all taught me, but nothing makes sense anymore.
Been looking to get Sydney some bedding, and I think these sheets are actually not badly priced. For a twin set, $17.99, and then they're also 10% off in the Cartwheel app. I think these ones are really cute. The like a little woodland themed. They have little llamas. They have mermaids over here. Mermaid one's a little bit more pricey. The bunnies are cute too. I think I might go with this theme. They're kind of cute. We have owls. Sydney's obsessed with owls. For now. I'll stick it in the cart for now. Anyone else shop like that? And then I think I'm also going to do a Frozen theme for her birthday, and I found this blue cotton candy. But I'm not sure if it's on sale, so I have to scan it to see. We'll see. Oh, I could get a matching pillow with her sheets. That's so cute. Okay, so I usually don't care about what these look like, and I have a green one or a red one for Christmas, but I thought these were kind of cute. They have the little polka dots, so I'm getting a pink one. I'm debating on getting two to store like Sydney's things, maybe in her playroom or her bedroom. And these will be for like arts and crafts and something like that. They do have the white ones too. I had a white one, which is mostly just clear, but I thought pink ones would be cute for Sydney's stuff because they're color coordinated, like I just said. So $7.99 and then 10% off. Not much savings, but okay, you guys, so it is the very next day. I've got a lot on the agenda today. I woke up and I was like, you know what? It's a snowy day. We cannot leave the house. So I am going to start undecorating and taking some of the Christmas things and put them away. I'm sitting in my room. It feels so good. And it's so weird because I didn't even show you what I did yesterday. I changed where my bed is. So I moved it to the other wall. And I mean, I'm nowhere near like close to decorating my room as far as like making a video out of it. I have to buy things for the walls. I have to figure out what I'm gonna do. The only thing that is different is my bedspread. I got a white one. I haven't even made my bed yet, so today. So I got a white one for Christmas, and so I put that on. I put the bench that was in my entryway, I put that at the foot of my bed just to put it there because I don't have a spot for it. Oh, you're bringing your toys in here? And then what else did I do? Yeah, I just flipped my bed. So that's the only thing I did. I am eventually going to be getting rid of that, but it weighs so much, so I don't know how to go about that. So anyway, I will be redecorating my room at some point. It's going to be a very slow process, and then Sydney's room too. So anyway, I'm going to be taking some Christmas decorations down. I don't know if we'll get to the tree today, but everything else, like all the little things, I would love to pack away. Yeah, I need to get dressed and get a little bit organized and just pull my life together here. So that's what we're doing today.
I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. Oh, I guess time's in a rush. Leaves are falling down, but at least they grow back. While I'm on a one-way track. Now I know what it means to grow. Time I got
Sydney's playroom Christmas decorations because it's so stinking cute. And it's gonna feel so boring after. I'll just take, I won't take everything down right now, honey. We can still enjoy some of it, but we'll just take like this down.
I will keep it.
Do you want to put it in the bin for Mama, please?
Yeah.
Okay, go put it in the bin in the living room, please. Thank you.
This is for Sand.
Okay.
I'm on that sand right. This is too blind for you.
Makes me so sad. It's so cute. I really loved Sydney's Christmas playroom this year. So cute. Pretty much everything was from Target Dollar Spot too.
I'm gonna put this in the bin.
Okay, you put that in the bin. Thank you, baby girl. Okay.
I'm gonna put this in there. I almost forgot.
Okay. Good job, sweet pea. We're gonna put them away because it's not Christmas anymore. You're a nut.
Sometimes I understand I'm making all the wrong demands in life. It never pays in the end, but still I am here, moving on like before. I'm yearning to reach the shore. Now I know what it means to grow old. Yeah, now I know the time I've got, it is just enough to get by.
Okay, let's go potty.
I need the blanket.
Hold on, water. It's a clean blanket.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air, and a sparkly.
Okay, totally just filmed myself talking to you guys for like 2 minutes and then my camera shut off and I realized I never hit record. So I wasn't talking to you. Anyway, I just finished doing a bunch of laundry. Sydney and I are gonna go outside now. I'm gonna let her play in the snow while Mama shovels. I have a lot of shoveling to do since my car is outside. It cannot fit in the garage right now with all the boxes and Sydney's new car she got for Christmas. So I need to figure out what I'm doing with that situation. And then as far as the tree goes, I'll probably take that down another day. I don't have it in me to get it done today. I've been doing a lot of housework, laundry, and just feeling very emotionally blah and drained for the Leach family. It's just, anyway, trying not to. I'm trying to, you know, be uplifting and positive, like in my own head and listen to music and get out of that feeling. But yeah, I feel accomplished. Now we're gonna go outside and accomplish more adult things. Here we are again. Feels like deja vu. I'll be doing this all winter long. I couldn't open my door. It doesn't look like a big mound, but yeah, remember there's a stoop there, so. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Mama's officially out of breath from shoveling so much. Wow, that is a big snow pile, dude. Do you remember as a kid, like that struggle when you're all bundled up, climbing snow, and it's like so hard? We're inside now having a very complicated dinner of Annie's mac and cheese and beets, pickled beets. I ran out of milk, so I used a little bit of the pasta water and extra butter.
It's really yummy.
Do you have stinky toes?
Yeah, shout them, shout them.
I don't want to smell those stinky toes.
Shout them.
Be you! Can you say goodnight, everyone?
Good night, everyone.